we're going to test Ellie to the absolute limit. This is how it's going to go. She is going to be on the other side of this wall, and I'm going to be here with the lure, which means that to get it, she's got to fly through that hole. We're going to shrink the size of the hole, we're going to change its shape, and I've got another dastardly trick up my sleeve. We're going to shrink the size of the hole, we're going to change its shape, and I've got another dastardly trick up my sleeve. First, in real time. Now, slow down. Let's make the hole smaller. If you look at her eyes, you can see her protective nictating membranes closing. They're semi-transparent eyelids that keep out the thorns. Now I'm going to rotate the slit to simulate the small gaps between trees. Ellie seems able to mould her body to any shape. Next, I want to simulate a tunnel through the undergrowth. Next, I want to simulate a tunnel through the undergrowth. Amazing. Ellie turns the situation to her advantage, using her legs to launch herself at her prey.
Type double R.